you need to punch a hole but no punch lube, what do? Well, hey guys, I'm Jayce. Welcome back to Farmstead Forge. Today I thought I would do a quick video on some quick forge lubes and a forge lube that you probably have in your house that you don't even know about, or maybe you do, but it's definitely a good thing to know if you're in a pinch. So first, let's take a look at my lube containers that I make, and maybe they can help you out if you want to build some, and we'll talk about what's in them. I'm a simple guy. There's probably 10 million different kinds of concoctions for punch lube that you can make. I just use beeswax 90% of the time. These are my containers. This is a shop container that you can just hook on a lot of different things for dipping punches in. It's just some box tubing cut with capped off, so works really good. This is another one that I use a lot, and this one's nice because it's got a magnet on it. This is in my mobile shop. I use this a lot too, my mobile shop video, you can check that out, but it's just nice because you can stick it to anything you want to, your power hammer, your vise, just whatever works to dip your punches in. You need it quick right there, over here. It just works pretty nice. Now, if you don't have beeswax, say you're forging at your buddy's house and he's building his first set of tongs, you need to punch a hole but no punch lube, what do? Well, go into your bathroom and get yourself a bar of soap. It doesn't have to be any certain brand, just any kind of bar of soap will work. I use this all through shoeing school for dipping my punches in. You probably wouldn't work great for like drifting a hammer or something like that, but just for punching holes in little stuff, this works good. Really strong scented soap. It's probably going to clear you out if you got a cold, so try to, find something that's not super scented. The other thing about a bar of soap is that it tends to crumble, so if you don't have a metal container to put it in, get yourself some duct tape, and I'll show you a nifty little trick. Now, obviously you don't want to touch the duct tape because it'll burn, and burning duct tape never smells good, but it just holds your bar of soap together while you dip your punch in there. So let's heat up a piece of metal and we will do some soap versus beeswax and see if there's any kind of difference. Alright, so first up we have the beeswax. Now this is a really tapered punch, so it doesn't really stick very good either. Now and the beeswax works nice, it doesn't bind. But let's try our budget forge lube. Alright, so I buffed my punch off just to make sure there was no beeswax left on it. See, it's wanting to stick now. Dip it in my soap. And now it's not sticking just like we want it to. Actually, I think that the soap actually works a touch better than beeswax, to be honest with you. Now all you gotta do is shake it. Let's cool it off just a touch so it'll be wanting to bind on there. And then we'll drop it on the ground like all good blacksmiths do. Still not even wanting to stick, so works good when you're in a pinch. Hey guys, I hope this quick little video helped you out if you're in a bind and just need some quick punch lube. Once again, the soap works really great. It just stinks a little bit, but if you keep it offside or a fan run or something, it might not be too bad. But I actually think it worked a little bit better than the beeswax, to be honest with you, but the beeswax smells much better. My punch never found in there. It was just really nice. Remember, keep it simple, and we will catch you in the next one.